Hi, this is Ricardo with RZ Floor and Bath Covering. For any of your interior or exterior remodels, please give us a call at 602-319-7280. We're located here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we work valley-wide. So please give us a call. Our phone number is 602-319-7280. RZ Floor and Bath Covering. So as you can see here, we are just finishing up this project for this homeowner. One of our repeat customers. So as you can see, there's beautiful paver here in the backyard that we've installed. We've done a variety of things here at this backyard. So as you can see, this palm tree here, it used to be located over here by where this wall outlet is at, but we relocated it. We also relocated the cactus that's you see over there by the wall. That cactus used to be right here by where this lamp is at. So it's had a major renovation here in the backyard. So as you can see, we've installed approximately 550 square feet of paver. We've also installed brand new rock, which matches the paver and matches the exterior wall. We've also installed brand new mulch for the garden area. We've also installed floodlights for the trees in the garden areas. We've also installed these pathway lights for the paver walkway area, and we've also painted this exterior wall here. So as you can see, everything is completely updated from what it used to look like. Towards the end of the video, you'll see what it used to look like before, and it's a major difference. So right there you can see the floodlights for the palm tree. There's another floodlight over there. These are all LED lights, landscape lights. So once again, for any of your interior, exterior remodels, please give us a call. Our number is 602-319-7280. RZ Floor and Bath Covering. We're located here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we work valley-wide. I'll show you guys also what we did towards the front. As you can see, a very nice rock. We also installed this side gate, which is very convenient. It used to not be here, and now it's easy access to the back patio. RZ Floor and Bath Covering. For any of your interior, exterior remodels, give us a call at 602-319-7280. We service the valley-wide. As you can see, we've installed brand new pavers here, brand new rock, brand new mulch. We've also painted the exterior of this wall, and we also installed brand new pathway LED lights. We also installed some floodlights for the garden area. Those floodlights change colors on their own, which makes it a really cool feature. As you can see, brand new paver, and brand new paint on that exterior wall, brand new mulch, brand new rock, brand new pathway lighting. For any of your interior, exterior remodels, give us a call. RZ Floor and Bath Covering. Our phone number is 602-319-7280. We're located here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we service valley-wide. Alright, so as you guys can see here, we've also installed these pathway lights, LED lights, these floodlights for the palm trees, which change colors automatically. As you can see, it makes a big difference with the lighting. Very nice.